Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so I'll wait for some time and then we'll continue with today's topic, which is related to the performance tuning. Okay, let me wait for some time with the other people and then we'll start with the today's topic. Am I coming online? So what's up, guys? How the things are going on? I hopefully you guys are doing good. And just let me know if you can hear me properly, if I'm looking good. Did you like my bald face? So that is what I'm coming over here to show my face. I didn't get a chance to see you uh, by this Saturday. I thought to come. I thought to come there by Saturday only, but due to certain issues, I was unable to come there. But this time I'm here. So today is Monday. It's Tuesday. Sorry, it's Tuesday, because nowadays due to this coronavirus all the days are same only, so nothing to worry. Anyway, we are working from home, and because of that only I'm not able to find like whether it is Saturday or Sunday. All days are same only. Almost all the time we are waiting for Saturday and Sunday, but this time all days are good. Okay, all right, so we will wait for Mila Naveen Oracle 12c practical video, bro. I know you are continuously looking for Oracle 12c. What to do? I'll do it. I'm sorry. I completely understand that you're mainly looking for that Oracle 12c practical video. I know you. I know you, Mila Naveen, because I most of the time I saw your ping and you're mainly focusing on that Oracle 12c. So last time I have discussed about the Oracle 12c user management on theoretical part, but I didn't get a chance to show you on practical way. Actually, what happened nowadays, a lot of stuffs are going on in my personal life also, as well as this technical life. So because of that only, it is not. I'm not getting much time, and currently I told you already, right? So I'm looking for there are two channels are there, so it's very difficult for me to get out to take out some time, so I'm trying for it. Hi Nayan, how are you, man? Hey man, performance tuning videos, please. So I'm here to tell you about the performance tuning only. The last time I have given some update related to that performance tuning, so I'm here for that only. So let me give you some basic idea. I'm doing good, Nayan. So definitely I'll be creating more and more videos on performance tuning. But there was some offer which was going on related to that performance tuning, and I thought to share with all of you. Okay. I did you find this clarity is good compared to the previous one, because I have done some kind of setup right now. I'm also planning to purchase one webcam. I know currently I'm using my laptop camera only, which is not that good, but it's okay. Hi Rohini, thank you so much for connecting. But nowadays due to this coronavirus, I'm not getting that camera on the Amazon as well as Flipkart. Even I tried for the local things, but still it is not available. But what to do? So because of that only, very soon I'll be getting it. I'm just hoping for that, because daily I'm checking whether it is available or not. Okay, last time you told enroll for performance tuning course, but what next? I'm little confused. Okay, all right. So let me just take 2 minutes, okay, and after that I'm going to discuss about that only, about that performance tuning video, because it's supposed to start from yesterday. Okay, that was the update which I got it from the website also, and this is what I shared with you. And fortunately I just thought like to check whether that performance tuning videos has been started or not. And right now I can see on my screen, you cannot see my screen because I just turned on the webcam. I can see that yes, there are few videos are there which are provided by the Oracle itself, and that is completely related to the Oracle performance tuning. It's not too much advanced. It is kind of, you can say, for basic only, but I think that is enough for you to understand the performance tuning. At least some basic you can understand. So I have seen some of the videos related to that performance tuning which is provided by the Oracle only, and yes, it is available. So in my last video, I have already given you the link from where you can register yourself and then you can watch that performance tuning. The name of that course, let me see. I think I have just closed that tab. Something related saying like developer course or something like that. Yes, the name of that course is database for developer. Okay, that is the name of that course. Okay, and what I will do in the comment section also, I will just try to copy that path and you can register from there. Okay, short link, let me just short link, and I will paste it into the comment section only over here. Okay, so just register guys and take the advantages of it. So let me try to put it in the comment section. So where is my comment? Yes. Okay. So just click on this link. Even I will paste this link in the description of my video. Okay. Just click on this link and then you need to register. So no need to register like with your personal email ID. I'm sorry. What I'm saying that registration means you need to use the same credential for which you have registered with the oracle.com. Okay. You already might have the account on oracle.com and the same account you can use for that. Okay, same account, no need to create another account. If you have the already account on oracle.com, same account you can use and then you can register to this free performance tuning courses provided by the oracle. It is absolutely free, and just now I have cross checked, yes, it is available. If you are still facing the issue, let me know into the comment section. Okay, let me know into the comment section. I will definitely create a step by step video like how to register for this. But it is pretty much simple guys. I just tried it. I have already given you the link also. Just click on it, log in with your oracle credential and just see. If you don't have the credential for your oracle.com, just register yourself on oracle. That is completely free. You don't need to pay anything. Okay, so that is completely free only. So that is all about. And can I request all of you to please do like this video? That will be really helpful for me. Because of you people only I'm coming here online. Okay, because of you people only. It's very difficult to take out the time, but yes, whenever you people I'm really missing you guys. If I'm not coming online, then I feel like something is missing in my life. So I'm always coming there to show you some sort of techniques. Okay, and nowadays from last 2-3 days I'm also uploading the video based upon the Hadoop technology also. You might have already observed, and I know there are some audiences also there. They are also mainly looking for Hadoop technology, and maybe there are few DBAs, they also want to shift their career from this oracle to the Hadoop. So definitely I'll be because of that only I started, and nowadays I'm also working on this Hadoop technology. So better you can also work on it. So that is what I want to tell you guys. The main update for which I'm coming over here related to that performance tuning. A lot of people got confused. Again, they are sending me an email saying like how to register. It's pretty much straightforward. I have given the link in the description. Click on it, register yourself with oracle.com, and then go for the video. That video is corresponding from devgym.oracle.com. Devgym, okay, devgym.oracle.com, and all the videos are completely free of cost. How to install the Oracle on Linux? If you just search on the Google, I think you will see a lot of video based upon that. Okay, like how to install this oracle. Like it's pretty much simple. If you don't know how to install this oracle database on the top of Linux, that is fine. You can start installing the oracle database on Linux. That is really really easy. Okay, just go for that. Just try it. Once you see a lot of error, try to all the oracle related started with the ora dash and some number will be there. So what you need to do, just copy that. The basic technique what I'm doing here. Just copy that ora dash and that number, that is your error code, and search it. Okay, you will get the right answer for that. There are a lot of blogs are there which are really really good, and they have done a very great job. They have given you the simple explanation, so you can use that. Praveen Kumar is saying you are spending so much time for we. Ankush, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Praveen, for connecting, and definitely I'll be creating more and more video based upon that only. So you'll see a lot of video based upon other technologies also. And those who are pressured and they want to start their career with the IT industry, don't get confused with the technology. If you know SQL queries, go with the database. If you know programming language, go with the development skill set. Anything is fine. Okay. Now if you're saying that whether it is possible for me to change from development track to the administration from track, or from administration track to the development track, it's also possible. So I did it. Why you can't do it? It's possible, guys. What is the scope of in future for Oracle SQL and PL SQL? See, a scope, when somebody is asking me what is the scope, that thing I cannot tell you. Like, the technologies are changing like anything. I still remember when I started my IT career, I started with the PHP language. In PHP also, a lot of framework has been arrived there now. PHP, Cake PHP is there. Then nowadays Laravel people are using. See, the technology are continuously changing. Okay, so but there are some base technology which I feel like that will be there, that is there from so many years, like Oracle, which is very old technology. Java, which is very old technology. But do you think the Java which we were using in 1995 or 2000, or those who started the career, because I started by almost 2013. So do you think the version which I was using in 2013, the same version I'm using it to 2020? No, I'm not using that. There are some advanced feature. Okay, there are some advanced things has been came. Or like nowadays people are using the Java 8, because Java 8 is coming with the different new features. Okay, so nowadays we are using the Java 8. Previously, the people were using maybe some the older version of Java, but the technology is there. Now, if you say me that SQL is there, see, SQL is not a database; it is just language. Okay, many people have got confused over here. SQL is not a database, guys. Okay, SQL is just language, and based upon this SQL, there are different databases are there, like your Oracle. Then you have MySQL, SQL Server is there. Okay, different database. Sybase is there. There are, so these databases are using a SQL query language, that is SQL query language. Okay, what does it mean? Like Oracle or any database cannot understand the language which we are talking. Okay, and we cannot understand their language, which is a binary language. So they have created a simple language which is in English only, like select star from table name. So select is English word, right? So we are using it. I want to select something. It is a language which can be understood by the Oracle. It is not understood by the Oracle. Actually, again, it is converting it to the machine language, then going it to the Oracle database interpreter. It is interpreting it and then again coming back to us. So if you ask me, like, whether will be the scope of Oracle, whether there will be a scope of SQL or Oracle database, I feel I started working with the Oracle database with the version Oracle 9.9. Or on that time also people were saying that the scope of Oracle DB will be vanished. But continuously I can see there are a lot of vacancies are coming. Why they are coming with the different versions? So 9.9, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 20C now. Within very few span of time, they have come up with different languages are there. Saurabh, hello sir. As per our today's discussion, I am accepting offer as a SQL developer. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Saurabh, for taking my suggestions very seriously. Uh, I'm seeing there is one message saying that which version is the best, Oracle 11G or 12C for Linux? See, again, this is something different question. The latest version of Oracle database compared to the Oracle 11G or 12C, that is 12C only. But nowadays, if you are going for Oracle DBA interview, okay, nowadays if you are going for Oracle DBA interview, you will find a lot of question based upon the Oracle 12C only. Because Oracle 12C, Oracle 18C, 19C or 20C, whatever it is coming in future, all are multi-tenant architecture. So you should know multi-tenant architecture. That is something different compared to the 10G, 11G and 12C. 10G, 11G are almost same. Okay, adding some future features are there. That is fine. But 11G and 12C, it is completely kind of, you can say, different. Okay, It's different because there is something a new things has been arrived over there, that is multi-tenant architecture. So if you go for an interview, guys, you should know Oracle 12c. That is needed now. Okay, that is must. Okay, that is most important thing you should know whenever you go for an interview of Oracle DBA. Nowadays the expectation of the all interviewers are pretty much high. You might have seen that a 2 years person, 2 years who is a fresher only, they are expecting that we should know rack, golden gate, lot of whatever the words they know. That interviewer, they are asking you everything. So that is a problem. I don't know, I can't do anything, but the expectation is really high from the interviewer. So that is something where I can't do anything, but I feel like, uh, see, I am always telling to the people, see, at one time you are not ready to give the chance to the fresher. At one time you are not ready to give a chance to the fresher, but on other hand you are expecting a lot of things from the fresher. So that is weird, right? So that is the reality, but the things are like that only. Okay, so can I request one more time, guys, to please do likes, and because I can see there are a lot of people which are online, but I want you to at least like the video so that I will feel like, okay, whatever the things I'm doing, that is good only. Could you please tell us something about the rack and grid infrastructure? I have already created one video, Rohini, based upon the rack, like how the rack works. Okay, I have already discussed about that. In meantime, whenever I'll get a chance, I will try to put more and more things related to the rack also again. And grid infrastructure, basically, where you can have a ASM. Now if you are going for 3+ years of experience, the interviewer expecting that you should know the data guard, rack. Okay, some people are expecting the golden gate also. I know, with see, being a fresher, it is quite, it's quite, the people are not giving the chance to the fresher as Oracle DBA. Okay, so let's assume that you have a 2 years of experience. Okay, you have a 2 experience with some other technology. Now from 2 years to 3 years, you have only 1 years of experience as a Oracle DBA. That is the reality. Okay, and when you try to switch your company after 3 years, means within 1 year, he's expecting that you should know golden gate, you should know rack, you should know Oracle core DBA. Okay, and when you are going to the same interviewer asking that I want a job as a fresher in your company, they will not quit you. So it's difficult. Saurabh is saying, sir, how to switch SQL developer to Oracle DB? Is it possible? Any certification is required? Saurabh, so since you are working as a SQL developer, it's pretty much easy for you to change your career from SQL developer to Oracle DB. Okay, there are people, there are a lot of candidates under me, and I have seen a lot of my friends also. Those people were working on network, those people were working on, and as a mechanical engineer also. Nowadays these people are working as a Oracle DBA. Nowadays these people are also working as a developer also. They are doing their work, okay, very efficiently. So nothing is impossible nowadays, everything is possible. Why? Because a lot of stuffs are available on YouTube, Udemy. On Udemy, 300 400 rupees, you can see a lot of new courses are there. Okay, a lot of new courses are there. So you can just go there and purchase the things, okay, and learn the things, and then crack the interview. I'm always telling to the people about the funda of getting crack into the interview is give as much as interview you can. That is basic funda of getting success into the life and getting change. When you want to change your stream from one stream to another stream, give as much as interview. You will feel ashamed like I cannot crack the interview, that is fine. You will laugh on yourself, that is fine, but for some time. Okay, after that, once you get your first offer, you will see you will have a lot of offers in your hand. That is something which I'm telling you with my experience, with my colleagues experience, because every experience is important. Whenever you go for an interview, you will have a set of questions. Next time again you will have a set of questions. All this question, once all so many interviews has been done, you will have a bundle of questions. Make sure you, again when you are coming back, you read the answer for that and try to understand the concept also. Once you start reading something, you will find something new also, which is the answer for your second question. And then at the end you will have a lot of question, a lot of answer, a lot of knowledge, and finally you will crack the interview. That is the reality of getting it into the different technology. Okay. Okay. uh Krishna is saying that, can you please explain the stale stat with real time scenario? Okay. This is something technical, and let me try to explain you. See, whenever we are firing any command like select star from table name, okay, basically there will be a someone who is creating a plan for you. Okay, that person we call it as optimizer. He will create a plan. Plan means, let's say I want to create. Let's say I want to build some building. Okay, building. I want to. I'm a civil engineer. I want to building. Okay, so what I will do, I'll create one plan, right? I'll create one plan on my, maybe on sketchboard or somewhere, and then I'll start working on it to create that building, a big building. The same thing optimizer is also doing. He will create a plan, small plan. Okay, so he will have three plan. Let's assume that he will have three plan. Then among that three plan, the which is the best plan he will choose. Okay, and then it will use that plan to execute that query. Okay, who is doing all the steps? Optimizer. And who is helping him, who is helping to this optimizer to get a correct execution plan? The stats. The statistics are really important. Statistic plays an important role, and they will give all the necessary information to your Oracle optimizer, saying that take this, take this, take this. These are all, you can call it as worker. Okay, if I want to building, if I want some big building, these are all workers. Okay, they are helping you. So your statistics should be always up to date. They should know every information related to the objects for which you are fetching. Okay, let's say you are fetching some table, so they should know the your what is the state statistics should be up to date. Okay, the statistics should have the information about the table, like how many rows are there, columns are there, all this information. If it is up to date, then he can give that up to date information to the optimizer, and then optimizer will create a plan for you. So because of that only, it's very important. Okay. Snail is saying, sir, please tell something about system requirement for rack or 12c or RAM and storage. Okay, now if you're planning to set up the RAM on your system, okay, at least you should have 8 GB of RAM, at least, which is a minimum requirement. I'm telling, minimum 8 GB of RAM. That is for 2 node cluster. Okay, 2 node cluster, like one node which is your primary, second node which is your secondary or standby server. Okay, so at least you should have 8 GB of RAM. In every RAM, in every laptop, you will find 2 slot over there for your, in every RAM you will find 2 slot for your RAM. Okay, not in every laptop, most of the laptop I'm saying. Okay, so you can check like what is the maximum capability of your laptop to have a RAM. I was using the i3 processor where my laptop was giving, like, taking maximum 12 GB of RAM. So I was having one slot of 4 GB, and I added another 8 GB of RAM there. So total 12 GB. That is what I did with my previous laptop. Right now the laptop which I'm using, it is already having 16 GB of RAM, and the capacity is 32 GB. So I can remove my 16 GB and I can add directly 32 GB. It's possible for my laptop. For your laptop, you need to check, verify it on personal level, maybe from the official website you can check it. Okay, or you can check it from Google also. There are a lot of forums are there, and that forums will tell you. Or else you can just go with any customer care, they will also help you with that. So 12 GB, at least 8 GB of RAM if you want to do the rack installation. If you have 12 GB and 16 GB or more than that, that is absolutely good. Your performance of your that laptop will be really good. Otherwise you will find like It's hanging like anything. Your laptop will hang like anything. Okay, so that is all about. Another thing is like this, you can have 100 GB, 150 GB. Okay, like create one partition and you can just install your Oracle rack. That is possible. Okay, so this is all about the rack. How feel about anything else? Okay, sir, I'm a mechanical engineer. Aishman is saying, sir, I'm a mechanical engineer from VAT, now working in, okay, as Oracle Apps DBA. Oh, great. Thank you. It's good to see that you are working as Oracle DBA with one of the good company. It's good to see. Navneet is saying commonly asked performance tuning question. Please share some. Okay, one question which I will tell you. All the time they will ask you same question. Till yesterday, my database performance was good. Today, my database performance down. What you will do? Now, I'm not going to tell you the answer. I want you to search the answer and tell me the answer. Okay. In the next, whenever I'll come live, just let me know there only. Okay. So if someone want to send us, there is some new option also which I saw like send some kind of support chat or something like that. So if you want to send this support chat to us, uh, you can send it to us, guys, if you want to support us. Okay, that will be really helpful for us to make this system pretty much good. Okay, can you please explain the table fragmented and rebuild indexes? See, these are all things which are coming again under the performance tuning. So if you have indexes, if you are doing some table scan, let's say you have one table and you are firing some select statement on that, and the thing is that table is having some indexes. That indexes should be you should rebuild that indexes. Okay, maybe weekly or maybe, because whenever you are making some changes on the database level, the statistics as well as your indexes will get changed. Okay, let's say you have some data and you deleted some rows. So index, what it will do, it will point to that location, right? Now it will point to that row basically. Now that row itself is not there, so what will happen? Your index is problem, right? It's a problem for index. So you need to rebuild it so that it will be again up to date. Okay, so because of that only, uh Rahul Dubey is saying that please make a session on performance tuning on memory parameter. Yes, when someone is asking me about the memory parameter, let me tell you some hint. Like, try looking for the SG and PGA, that is automatic memory management, starting from Oracle 11G. I think 11G or 10G. I'm sorry, I forget it now. They have introduced a concept called automatic memory management. So what it will do, previously we were specifying the size of your SG and PGA. So it was like, if we need more SGA, then again the problem was there, because let's say I have allocated some 3 GB of SGA, but it needs some 3.5 GB of SGA. Now from where that 0.5 will come? So that was a problem. That was a problem initially, and it was really big problem for the performance of your database. But now they have come up with like, let's do one thing. They Now SGA and PGA, let's say the SGA plus PGA size is 5 GB and I want 3.5 GB. So it can take out the data, which is a dynamic. Now SGA size and PGA size are dynamic, so it can take some memory from your PGA also. And that is where this AMM, which is automatic memory, play a really important role. How frequently we should rebuild the indexes or for tuning purpose? See, that is all depend upon project to project only. That is, you should not rebuild the index continuously also. Let's say you are saying that I want to rebuild the indexes daily. No, again, rebuilding the indexes on daily basis, it's a problem for your database performance. Okay, whenever you make a changes to your database level, let's say you are deleting some data from your tables, then you can go for your rebuilding the indexes. So maybe by weekly or maybe by monthly. Okay, but don't do it on daily basis, because when that job runs, which is rebuilding the indexes, on that time there will be a load on your database, so that can be a problem. Okay, so don't do it on daily basis. Chandrasekhar BR is, which is better, full table scan or index scan? um, again, most probably in cases index scan is always good, because table scan is like, let's say you have a 10,000 rows and you are doing some where condition, you want some specific data. Okay, let me take one example. Let's say this is my country table is there and I want the data from only Maharashtra. So why will I go to the Andhra? Why will I go to the Delhi? Why will I go to the some other state? Because I want only the Maharashtra data, right? So let's have the index on it. Okay, let's say I'm taking, let's say I'm firing that select star from country where state equals to Maharashtra. And if I'm firing this, means what is this query doing? It is basically fetching the data of Maharashtra state. But if I'm doing this, on daily basis, so better to index, right? Why to go with the full table scan? Because again, the time consuming process. So better you index the things. Okay, that is good for your performance tuning. Oh, okay, so many questions I have given the answer for now, right? My mouth is paining like anything. So I think we are good for today. And if you have any questions, let me know, guys, over here. Definitely, as I'm coming all the time online, I'm all the time giving you transaction decline in banking sector. We will face in daily issue. How can I get this information from AWR and ASH report? Okay, please explain how to analyze them. Oh, this is a big answer. So I will try to give the answer. Okay. In the next, because I can see there are a lot of questions are related to the performance, but in one video, it's not possible to give all the answer. But definitely I'll be creating, okay, more and more, because if I'm telling all the things in one single video, I will not get a chance to come with you online in the next time, right? So I'll come there live. And guys, if you want to support us, definitely you can support us. Again, I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch from next week, which is Oracle core DBA batch plus data guard environment. If someone want to join, just fill up the form which is there. Google form is there in the description. Just fill up that, and definitely I'll be conducting the things and I'll get a call. Okay, I will do a call. Just fill up this. Okay, and then we'll discuss about. Okay, is it on weekend? No, it's not on weekend, it's a daily batch. Okay, most probably I will, the timing is not fixed now. Most probably the timing will be in the night time only, as per the IST Indian timing. Most probably it's 9:30 daily batch. Okay, so the duration will be for 45 days, more than 45 days, where I'll cover like Oracle core DB activities as well as data guard environment. Okay, both the things I'm going to cover. So whoever is interested, just fill up the Google form which is there in the description, where the description is saying that real-time Oracle database training. Fill up that, and there I will explain about that. Okay, fees and all the structure, like I'll be explaining. I will be dropping you an email. Okay, there you will see all the details, like what is the fee structure and timings and syllabus, all the stuffs. Okay. All right, guys. So it was a very good time to talk to you. Okay, and thank you so much for being here and listening me for so many. I got it. Okay. All right then. Bye bye. See you. Thank you. Bye bye.